Okay, time for a little bit of math. I'm putting together my gauge blocks for my sine plate to set up and cut the 12.6 degree angle on the end of the piece. Okay. I saw a guy on YouTube, I really can't remember who he was, but he was explaining how he goes about picking out his blocks when you need to get to a measurement, and it works out well, and it's fairly easy. I'm sure a lot of the veterans out there, the guys who have been doing this for a long time, know this easily, but maybe this will help out somebody who hasn't done it or who's looking for a different way. Okay, hopefully I'll keep this in focus. Whoops. Okay, so the sine of 12.6 degrees is 0.21814. Okay, I have a 5-inch centers on my sine plate, so it's 5 multiplied by 2.1814, which gives me 1.0907, which is the height of the gauge blocks you have to put underneath the bar. Hopefully I'll keep this in frame. The way he explained it is really easy. You work your way from the last number towards the front. Okay, that way you keep on eliminating stuff towards your goal instead of trying to build it the other way around, starting with 1 inch or and then trying to find something you know, that's 90.7, you know, which you don't have in there. So I'm going to start the first gauge block I have in my set that finishes with a 7. Is 0.1007. Okay, so I'll put 0.1007. Okay, quick calc, so I have 1.0907. Okay, minus my 0.1007. Okay, that leaves me 990 thousandths to find. Okay, so I have my first block. Trying to make up something that'll do the 90. You'll need a 4, you'll need a 5. The next block I got is 140 thousandths. Okay, so I'll add that one to the list. 0.140. I'll subtract it from the 0.99. Minus 0.140. Okay, that leaves me 85 thousandths to find. And well, you take 40 and 45, which are 2 blocks I have, and you make up the difference. So 0.450. 0.450. Okay, it leaves me 400 thousandths to go, which is my last block. So 0.4, and that leaves you with 0. Okay, so this method works really well, pretty easy. Hopefully you guys can see this a little bit better. Simple, you just make a cross there, you put your target, and you keep on deducting starting from whatever works from the last number out. This worked really well. Yeah, you know, when I first got my block set, which is nothing special. This is import and inexpensive, but good enough for what I do. This worked out surprisingly well. Okay, so I'm gonna finish setting up on the mill, finding a way to clamp down my piece, and we'll be back. Okay, so set up my 5-inch sine plate. I squared it up to the table, I trammed it, I bolted my piece on. Oh well, I didn't bolt, sorry. I put my piece in, I clamped it in with my little clamps and trammed it in. I think should be alright. This is a half thou Mitutoyo dial indicator. I'm within a thou, about maybe about 6, 7 tenths. I'm pretty pleased with that. I mean, for what this is, there's no need to go any more accurate than this. I have my stack of gauge blocks put in the back, and I just snugged these down. I obviously didn't clamp down on them. I don't want to bend my plate. I couldn't use the side lock, which I don't really trust anyways. But yeah, because the clamps for the plate to the table were in the way. So I'm happy with this. I would have liked to use oh dear Lord, my face mill to do this. My 2.5 inch face mill, but with these clamps in the way it wouldn't work out. So what I'm probably gonna do is use my 1/2 inch end mill, get rid of most of this, and maybe I'll just do a finishing pass just to get a nice finish with it. So that's the plan anyways. I have nothing on the other side to hold it, which has me concerned a little bit, but we're gonna take light cuts. So this might take a few minutes. I guess I'm gonna fast forward through the better part of this, or cut part of it out. Okay, I've put in my 1/2 inch carbide end mill. I'm going to twi mill on this, and the reason being, if the piece takes a hit or something, it's going to get pushed downslope. I'm afraid that if I go conventional and something bites, it's going to pull the piece in and jam everything up, and I've burnt up enough end mills in one month, I guess. Okay, so I'll be taking really light cuts, I don't know, probably 20-25 thou at the most. So this will be a bit. I'll be running pretty high, 2000 RPMs, that way if less chance of something biting really hard. So here we go. And that's how not to do it. Maybe I should tighten the end mill before I start. Holy crap. Wow, that was close. Uh-oh. Made a mark. I think Randy shipped them back. Ah, Christ. Okay, well, let me do things the right way. Okay, that ought to be better. I think the end mill survived okay. Let's zero that. And take two. I chiseled away at it pretty good. I increased the depth of cut to 50 instead of 25 thou. It's been a couple of passes. It didn't take too long, so I'm pretty pleased with it. I scribed the line 3/8 up from this edge, which is where I want the bevel to stop. I just went down with the end mill and I found my depth, which is 240. I've already taken 200 out, so I'll do a 40 thou pass. It should be the final. I don't think I'm going to bother changing over to an end mill. The finish is actually quite nice. I don't know what happened, but I think when the end mill came down and touched the hardened plate, it's almost sharpened it. I'm getting a really nice finish with it. So I'll be pleased with that. I'll just touch it up on the sander or whatever, give it a brushed look when I'm done. So here we go. This is the final, and then I'll repeat on the other block. Down to 240, 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 240. Alrighty. Let me zoom you in. That's pretty good. It's going straight down the line, so yeah, I'm happy. Very nice. Hey, what do you know? It worked out well. Very pleased with the results. Get this out. Very, very pleased. Well, let me get my calipers, see how close to my target I got. Not bad, not bad. I was hoping for half an inch, and I got 502 thou. Not bad at all. And this was to be 3/8. 3645, just yeah, 366. So close enough for horseshoes. Very happy with the results. Rinse and repeat. Okay, so we're back to the final step. I reinstalled the vise, trimmed it in. For those of you who haven't seen this yet, look up Tom Lipton and look out the video he did on tramming vices. I mean, it's a question of minutes, the way he does it and the way he shows it, and it works really, really well. So hats off. Okay, I've put my part in the vise. I've located off the edge so I can have a repeat. Actually, it wouldn't matter because I have the pieces in the other direction. It works. Okay. I've already set my depth stop to 3/8 off my parallel, which is the height I want to stop at. Actually, I left 10 thou, so I'm at 385 off the parallels just for a cleanup. Okay, I don't know if I mentioned it. I located the distance off the edge I wanted, which was around a 1/4 inch, pretty much what I have there, just a simple question of symmetry. As I zeroed my X, I can repeat, and well, we're gonna get pecking. And hold on. Yeah, I tightened my end mill this time. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we're back. It's the next morning. I want to quickly finish this before I get off to work. So I'll set my final depth, 375 off the parallels, and we'll get this piece finished. All right. Okay, so that, zoom out a little bit. That's pretty much it. This sector here is going to fit into the corner of the sander base. All I got to do is transfer punch my holes, get the spacing, and well, that part will be done. So I'm going to set up the other part, get that one completed, and well, we'll show you the finished product. Okay, see you in a bit.